Using Messenger bot to collect emails. Hello, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my tutorial video. This video is a step-by-step process on how to use Messenger bot to collect emails. Messenger bot has many ways to collect email addresses from its subscriber. 1. Using quick reply. 2. Using button as web view. 3. Using user input. Quick reply plus user keyboard input needs add-on, user input and custom fields. Follow each step in collecting email address using Messenger bot features. In the dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Then, select User Input Flow and Custom Fields. Click Actions. In Tools, first, select and click Custom Fields. Select a new custom field from the top right of the screen. Provide the custom field name and select a reply type. Drop down to select reply type. Choose email for collecting email addresses on Facebook Messenger. Click Save. The created custom field. It has an action delete form. Back to Messenger bot features menu. Drop down to select User Input Flow and Custom Fields. Then, click the Tools User Input Flow campaign. Select New Flow from the top right of the screen. Provide the campaign name and choose a page of your Facebook account. Free keyboard input have the following set of elements: email, phone, text, number, URL, file, image, video, date, time, date time. Drag and drop free keyboard input in user input flow start. Drag email and drop it in user input flow start. Provide a message for your subscriber. Then, click the gear icon to set up the email free keyboard input. Select the following element: reply type, save the custom field, save to system field, assign to labels, assign to a messenger sequence. Assign to an email vertical bar phone sequence and skip button text. You also have an option to remove this question. Select the final reply template. Click Add to make your reply template in collecting email addresses. Provide template name, postback ID, choose sequence campaigns and click Variables. In Variables, copy email variables. Then paste it in Add Template. Provide a reply message, paste here the email variables that you copied in the variable section. Then, click Submit. After providing information and required fields, click Submit. The template has been created successfully. Click OK. Back to Dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Then, select Bot Settings and click Actions. Select Facebook Page and Bot Reply Settings and click Add Bot Reply. Provide bot name and keywords, then select Reply Type and after click Submit. This is the sample bot reply. After providing bot name and keywords, drop down in Reply Type and select User Input Flow. Then, select a flow campaign. Choose Collect Email Address Template. Click Save. Bot reply has been added successfully. Click OK. The feature's already set up and ready to go. Now, open your Facebook Messenger and test the automation in collecting email addresses. In Facebook Messenger, type the keywords. A reply message will appear and an auto email address will also appear. Click the email address. This is how email collected in Facebook Messenger with a reply template after receiving the email addresses. In the dashboard, select Subscriber Manager and click Bot Subscribers. In the Subscriber Manager, select Bot Subscribers and click Actions. The collected email address. The menu has avatar, the page was collected, subscriber ID, first name, last name, actions, quick information, and the date and time when it was synced. Click Actions to view information about the subscriber. Subscriber data contains some information about the subscriber. Click each tab to view the user input flow answer, customer fields, custom form data, and purchase history. Click User input flow answer. User input flow answer. Collect email address template, the question created, and subscriber address. Then, click Custom Fields. Custom Fields tab contains custom field, reply type, and value, which is the email address of the subscriber. Subscriber actions also contain custom form data and purchase history. Your automation on collecting emails is now ready to go and easy to manage with Messenger bot on your Facebook page. Nothing is impossible.